Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about MCQ come one-liners of fisheries economics, very useful for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start with one-liners come MCQs of fisheries economics. First point, a list of assets and liabilities is, so it is a net worth statement. Correct answer is option B. List of assets and liabilities is a net worth statement. Cost of producing additional unit of output is called as, so it is marginal cost. Appropriate form of production function in marine capture fisheries is, so it is parabolic form. Reward for enterprises is, so it is profit is the reward for enterprises. Deflating is finding of money value from, so it is finding of money value from current to past. GDP is the product produced within the country. Total product curve will be maximum when marginal product curve equals to 0. Average product curve cannot be, so it cannot be -1. Substitutes are related with, so they are related with factor. If an industry is operating at break even point, in that case industry will earn, so in that case industry will earn nothing, that is no profit no loss situation. In case of break even point, the profit is 0. So the correct answer is option D, none. Which of the following condition will cause inflation? So it is all, that is demand greater than supplies, price level increase and economy trying to grow more than required. Supply curve is upward sloping, demand curve is downward sloping. D for demand, D for downward. Okay, demand curve is downward sloping and supply curve is opposite to that of demand curve, that is upward sloping. Elasticity equals 1 indicates, so it indicates unitary elastic. For complementary goods, price elasticity of demand will be, so it will be negative. Marine product export statistic is annually published by which organization? So it is published by MPDA, that is Marine Product Export Development Authority. Country-wise export of Indian marine products for the year 2003-2004 is given below. So it is given in the table, and question has been asked according to the table only, that write your answer based on the table given above. In general, which two countries to have the highest export rate? So it is USA and European Union. Option 3 and 2 is correct. Identify the correct order flow in the structure of fish marketing. So it is wholesaler, auctioneers, retailers and consumers. Okay, WARC. Wholesaler, auctioneers, retailer, consumer. Contribution of fishery sector to the total gross domestic product GDP is, so it is given here 1.43%, but actually now it is 1.24%. Contribution of fishery sector to the GDP is 1.24%, and that of agriculture sector to the contribution of fisheries to the agriculture sector, it is 7.24%. Okay, please check this data. Okay, who is universally regarded as father of economics? So it is Adam Smith. Wealth of Nation book was published by, so it is Adam Smith. Word economics was derived from Greek. Price of commodity increased, the quantity of demand decreased, and vice versa. So this is known as law of demand. What are wants? So wants are unlimited, satiable and competitive. Indifference curve is also referred to as, so they are referred to as iso-utility curve and curve of equal utility. Properties of indifference curve is, so they are non-intersecting and downward sloping to the right. Option C is correct, but it should be both A and B, non-intersecting and downward sloping to the right. Total fixed cost consists of, so it consists of depreciation, interest, repairs and maintenance. In price elasticity or supply becomes 0, then correct answer is option B, it is supply is fixed. Which is not having U-shaped curve? So correct answer is option B, fixed cost. Fixed cost do not have U-shaped curve. Major component of operative cost in shrimp hatchery is, so correct answer is it is feed. Feed is the major component of operative cost in shrimp hatchery. This question has been asked earlier also in JRF exam. The next question, variable cost includes, so correct answer is option D, it includes manual payment. Next question, the revenue determining factor in intensive shrimp farming include, so correct answer is shrimp density, growth rate, survival and market value. The cutting cost in intensive shrimp farming is, cutting cost includes cost of seed, feed, construction and labor cost. Welfare definition given by Alfred Marshall. Okay, economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life by Alfred Marshall, that is welfare definition. Scarcity definition given by Leonel Robbins. Economics is a science of wealth by Adam Smith, that is wealth definition of economics. Growth definition given by Paul Samuelson. Okay, next, it is the starting point of economic activities, that is wants. wants are the starting point of economic activities. It is the want satisfying power of commodity or good, so it is utility. These are direct definitions only. So that definition of utility, that it is the want satisfying power of a commodity or goods. Next question, that is 40th question. Law of diminishing marginal utility is given by, so it is given by Alfred Marshall. Okay, so that's all for this video. This is part 1 for fisheries economics. Other parts will also be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. Okay, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.